After scouring through hundreds of articles, industry reports, social media feeds, and even international design forums, we've uncovered the top 7 interior design trends set to redefine spaces. These aren't just passing fads, they're thoughtful styles rooted in functionality, emotion, and sustainability. So whether you're designing a cozy studio apartment or a sprawling estate, these trends will inspire you to create spaces that are as meaningful as they are beautiful. Number 1. Let's start with a trend architects are already buzzing about: Japandi. It's not just another buzzword, it's a philosophy that marries Japan's reverence for simplicity with Scandinavia's love for warmth. Picture open floor plans bathed in natural light, low-profile furniture crafted from sustainable materials, and negative space that feels intentional rather than empty. But here's the thing, Japandi isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating environments that promote mindfulness and tranquility. Ranked at number 2, we have wellness spaces. Wellness isn't just a lifestyle. It's an architectural mandate. Homeowners want spaces designed specifically for mental and physical health. Think yoga studios tucked into attic conversions, meditation corners framed by skylights, or even hydrotherapy showers hidden behind sliding barn doors. Coming up in number 3, we have earth tones. These tones aren't just colors, they're emotions. They ground us, comfort us, and remind us of the natural world outside our walls. Think layered textures, matte finishes, and unexpected pops of metallic accents. Pro tip: pair earthy hues with oversized windows to blur the line between indoors and outdoors. On our number 4 in the list, we have terracotta for architects. Consider how terracotta can soften sharp edges or anchor expansive spaces. Think about using terracotta as a structural element, like arches or columns. Plus, it pairs beautifully with cooler materials like steel or concrete, and infused in marbles and tiles. Number 5 is classical furniture. While minimalism has dominated for years, classical furniture is staging a quiet rebellion. Imagine tufted velvet sofas under exposed beams, or gilded mirrors hanging in glass-walled penthouses. Traditional furniture made with local materials such as rattan. But here's the secret. It's all about balance. Too much ornate detailing can feel overwhelming, while too little risks looking sterile. The key is to blend old-world elegance with modern sensibilities. At number 6, we got biophilic design. As urbanization accelerates, people crave connections to nature more than ever. Biophilic design isn't just about adding plants. It's about creating immersive experiences that engage all 5 senses. Imagine walking into a lobby filled with the scent of eucalyptus, the sound of trickling water, and the sight of cascading greenery. Fun fact, studies show that employees in biophilic workspaces are 15% more productive. We have maximalist minimalism. Our final trend might sound contradictory, but hear us out. Maximalist minimalism combines the clarity of minimalism with the personality of maximalism. Think neutral base colors layered with intricate textiles, asymmetrical shelving displaying curated objects, or geometric tiles paired with streamlined fixtures. Remember, less really is more, until you decide to add just one more thing. Whether it's embracing the serenity of Japandi, weaving nature into your designs with biophilia, or experimenting with the bold textures of terracotta, each trend offers endless opportunities. What if you combined 2 or 3 of these trends? Imagine a wellness sanctuary, infused with earth tones and classical furniture. There's so much more to explore when it comes to designing homes that inspire, nurture, and connect us. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this shallow dive, share it with fellow creatives who need some fresh inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips, trends, and behind-the-scenes content.